Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are following up on the Pentium lab with the Isotopes Key Points. We found in lab that the atomic mass of a Pentium was 2.8 grams. Atomic mass was the average mass of that sample. Now, the Pentium atom comes in two varieties. We had individual atoms that were 2.5 grams or 3.1 grams. And these were very distinct, different types of atoms. If we graphed them, we would have 3.1 gram atoms, this is mass, until 1982. This is the date. And then it dropped abruptly down to 2.5 grams. So we have two different distinct Pentium atoms. We have Pentium 2.5 and we have Pentium 3.1. These are the same element, but they have different masses. And this is the definition of an isotope. Different masses, same identity. Now in real atoms, it's the same thing. We can have different isotopes, different versions of the atom. With carbon, we have atomic number 6, which means it has 6 protons and 6 electrons. And it has an atomic mass of 12.0108 atomic mass units. So this atomic mass is the average mass of a sample of carbon. Carbon comes in two varieties. It comes in carbon-12, which has 6 protons, which have a mass of 6, and it has 6 neutrons because neutrons also each have a mass of 1. And we have carbon-14, which is 6 protons and 8 neutrons to give us a mass of 14. These 12 and 14s are called the mass number of the atom, of the isotope. And since the atomic mass is 12.0108. That gives us a clue that carbon-12 is probably the more familiar one, the more common one. Oops, sorry, here we go. Now you can see it. So on the periodic table, the symbol here, the 6 is the atomic number. And down in the corner then we'd have 12.0108, and this would be the atomic mass. Now carbon-12 is not the only one to have isotopes. I'm going to give you another example for you to finish up with. This is tungsten, which is capital W here. Tungsten is atomic number 74, which means it has 6 protons. But we have several varieties. We have tungsten 180, we have tungsten 182, we have tungsten 183, tungsten 184, tungsten 186. And did I get them all? I did. And the average mass of a tungsten sample, the atomic mass of it, is 183.84, which tells us that 183, 184 are probably the most common ones. What I want you to do is figure out, finish this, we'll kind of make it into a little data table. I want you to write in the number of protons for each isotope and the number of neutrons, and bring this to class tomorrow. Have a good day.